Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. The most common issue on the 850 door problems, it seems to be rear doors, but the problem is the door opens fine from the outside, but does not open from the inside. A common issue that these have is this bar is loose from these little plastic grommets here. Those things are horrible, and they come loose a lot, deteriorate, and that latch doesn't open from the inside, it opens only from the outside. Important thing on these latches is making sure this grommet is here on this bar that goes through there. If not, you'll have to rig that in so it's fixed. So when the latch is closed on the 850, this releases it when it's not locked. Let me unlock it. This is the latching mechanism for the lock. That is locked. That is unlocked. When it's unlocked and you pull this, that pushes this up and that opens the latch. Hold on, I'm having problems figuring out how this works. So when the child lock is off and the door latch is closed and you pull the handle, it releases the latch. That's also pulling the handle. There's a rod that's supposed to be connected here, and when that rod is not connected in there, it disables the interior mechanism from releasing this, because as you can see, it's not connected. I went to the auto parts store and purchased these vacuum retainer bushings. Part number from Dorman is that. And I believe these actually fit snug enough in these holes that will allow you to connect this rod that is supposed to connect those. I've seen one in a car recently, so let's go ahead and install these and see how that works, holds this in place. Not sure if it matters which way they go in. However, the rod is supposed to come in this way. So I'm going to try to push them in from the bottom. If I could quit dropping them. Get them to snap in place. Let me get the other one in place. So the rod is actually supposed to connect both of them and point down from the inside. So let's see if we can maneuver this metal rod in there wherever I've placed and lost that at. So I got the one side put in. Well, I thought I did. Let's go ahead and maneuver this side in here. Then maneuver, gosh, that's a little harder than I thought. Maneuver this side in here. And let's try to spin it in here once these two sides are in. Let me grab a pair of pliers or vice grips and try to rotate this thing in. And I'm going to turn these bushings so that the rod goes down in the bottom side of that bushing. So let me try to turn those. I actually didn't need a tool to do that. I kind of pushed it. Once I got it like that, I pushed it up and it kind of spun around in place. So that should hold that in place until those bushings wear out. That one's fixed. I can reinstall this latch. So now when I maneuver the handle inside, it should unlatch the door. So let's go ahead and throw the latch. The plunger on that is up, so the door is unlocked. The child lock is off because it is down. Now when I move this handle, it will undo the lock. All right, there it is.
If it was locked and the plunger was down, locked, then this would not affect the latching mechanism. Door has to be unlocked for that to open it. So that should stay in place. If you got any questions, let me know. One thing about these door latches that you may also want to know is this arm is kind of latched in here a tricky way. To get this arm off of here so it's be a smaller package to ship, you push that tension tab in there and slide that up and it'll come right off. Let me get a screwdriver or something. Push that in right there. And slide it up. And it comes off like that. Put that back on. You see it's like that. You hook it over that circle and you push it in and it'll lock in place.
If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.